Leaders in the retail e-commerce space are making the digital transformation to achieve higher levels of operational and business excellence. By connecting processes, workers, and equipment within the DC and across the enterprise, companies have the power to make informed decisions, cut costs, and deliver the highest possible customer service levels. The Connected Distribution Center supports a predictive, condition-based monitoring approach to asset management, helping retailers increase system reliability, reduce downtime incidents, and lower maintenance costs. Improve utilization by making the most of DC investments and reducing variability in hitting hourly and daily targets, all while enabling the true operational agility to adapt to market complexities today and in the future. A combination of powerful labor optimization tools, smart robotics, and track and trace freight solutions provide maximized productivity within the DC and throughout the supply chain. Whether you're taking the first steps in connecting assets or making a complete transformation to digital operations, the Connected Distribution Center delivers the end-to-end capabilities to drive unparalleled efficiency and optimized decision-making in the DC.